Hello and welcome to Web Design Fan Reviews. I am Zachary Brown and today we're looking at a mobile website building tool called mob.is.it. So what basically mob.is.it is, as I said, a mobile website building tool with just a few clicks. You don't need any coding or design skills. You can build as many sites as you want. There's a huge selection of ready-made templates. It works on any kind of device you can imagine. And best of all, it's completely free to try. And actually for 21 days. So that's a pretty good deal. You can come in here and play with it and see if it works for you before you buy. So that's very important. Also, just to clarify before we move on, the URL of the site, it's a little confusing. It's mob.is.it, mob.is.it. So as you're searching for that on the web, just keep that in mind. So I just want to hop right into the control panel they have here. So I actually have that up in a new tab right here. As you can see, you can create a new site. It's just as easy as clicking this button. For the purpose of this trial, I actually already have a site called Web Design Fan Reviews set up for us to use. So let's go into that. And as you can see, this is kind of your control panel where you're actually going to build your mobile websites. You have on the left side here, this is kind of where all the controls go to create the site. You can create new pages, adjust colors, many things like that. And then in the middle here, this is really cool, you have your iPhone template basically. And it's going to show you, it's going to keep a live preview as you make changes so you can see exactly what your website is going to look like on mobile devices. So first of all, let's jump right in and let's create a new page. And I wanted to make a mobile web design fan RSS feed basically. So what I'm going to do is call this page Web Design Fan RSS. As you can see, there's tons of stuff you can do, from static content blocks to lists of items, calendar, bring in an iCal feed, bring in an RSS feed as I've been talking about. You can make a contact form, you can make a poll. Obviously you can do YouTube videos, Vimeo, Google Checkout, PayPal button. If you want to do some e-commerce stuff, you can use those, and even bring in widgets for Twitter, Tumblr, Pinterest, Facebook, WordPress, all the good stuff. So there's a lot of capabilities here. It's all just one click away, and it's really useful. So as I said, I wanted to make the RSS feed as our little test here. So we're going to do that. You would simply click the RSS button. As you can see, it needs an RSS feed to actually put in the syndication. So I have this queued up already for us. It's the Web Design Fan feed. Paste that in there. We will save this page. And as you can see, it's that quick. You get the preview over here, and it's scrollable and everything of the WDF RSS feed. So that's that. You can obviously navigate through here. It's no problem at all. If you want to go back, as you can see, we kind of have the gray and the red theme going on here. Well, that's changeable by clicking this little rainbow iPhone icon up here. And there's many things you can do. You can choose layouts, you can choose colors, you can manually edit the colors, which is nice when you really need to customize to a T to your website. For the purpose of this, let's go ahead and just test this out. Let's look at some blue. So as that's updating, there we go. Switch over to the blue and the gray. It looks all right. You can choose another layout. There are plenty of layouts to all these categories. Filter by color if you want to, and then you can scroll down here. Let's see, I like the mob. Oh, there we go. The mob.is.it theme. That's kind of all right. Let's try that one. So we'll choose that. Hit OK, and look at that. Now we have the mob.is.it black and yellow black and orange kind of Halloween theme going on. So that looks good. And publishing the site is as easy as possible. I mean, what you do is, this big green button over here about publish this site now. You'd simply click that. As soon as you're done, you're happy with the site that you've made, hit OK, and there it is. You are now live and published. It's actually on the mob.is.it servers when it's first published, but it can be moved to your server. You can either embed it into your pages. It becomes basically a default switcher as soon as the website understands that your visitor is coming from a mobile device. It'll switch to this theme right away. So that's really convenient. In addition to that, obviously you can share your new mobile website with all your friends on these various social media accounts. And even cooler than that, there's a QR code that they automatically generate for you. So what you can do is you can email it to all your friends, or you can actually print it out, put it on flyers, let's say, do a little bit of offline marketing in that way. So that's really interesting. That's really it. I mean, as you can see, it's really quite easy. I mean, I think I just built a mobile website in about 3 minutes flat, and with all these different options that I showed you before, I mean, there's really not much of a limit to what you can do here. And like I said, it's completely free for 21 days. So overall, I think it's a great value. I think it's a great help, especially for novice mobile web builders that just want to have something that they can put on the web. There, it kind of actually becomes a native app for the iPhone and for the Android. So that's nice. And before we go, I do actually want to let you guys in on something very cool. We've actually partnered with mob.is.it to give you a little bit of a special, $100 off of their yearly pro plan. And what this does is usually for $400 per year, you have access to build as many pro sites as you want, which actually usually cost $400 each. So if you simply tell them that you're referred from Web Design Fan when you sign up, you can get this for $300 per year. And as I said, that gives you access to create pro sites, unlimited amount of pro sites for $65 per site, which is a huge savings. So obviously, if you have multiple sites that you want to make for clients, if you want to offer this as a freelance service, this is really a great deal for you. You'll save quite a bit of money just by making the multiple websites. So simply go to mob.is.it, that's mob.is.it/agencies, or as you can see up here in the navigation bar, just click the agencies link, and it'll bring you to this page. Tell them you came from Web Design Fan, and you will be all set with that deal. So with that, I want to say thank you once again for watching Web Design Fan Reviews. And I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something, and I hope you go try mob.is.it. So thank you once again. This is Web Design Fan Reviews signing off.